Don't underestimate the importance of the ideal life section and what it means to set up the rest of this process. The law of diminishing intent might be one of the most important themes we cover together. Producer Protocol needs to overcome that law with you, and we will teach you to overcome it with your producers. What happens after the initial feel-goods? Our industry is pretty famous for the flash without the follow. There are some key thoughts in that piece, and by overcoming that law with your producers, you immediately differentiate yourself. We're going to ask you this question again later in another strategy, but why is it that you do what you do? That's important here. Put some time into filling in your own ideal life graphic, really thinking about what matters in your life. It's amazing what happens to your approach with your producers, your understanding of where they are in their own lives and practices, and indeed how you can help them define their own ideal life when you understand yours. In the past, I've had members of my sales teams come to me and tell me that their job was the most important thing in their life. And I remember how I either didn't believe them or I felt sorry for them. Of course, it's not that the job isn't important. It's just never why we do what we do. That's just not the answer, nor is it truly what any of us strive for. You may remember the quote from Brian Dyson, the CEO of Coca-Cola, where he talked about the 5 balls that we juggle in the air during our lives: work, health, friends, family, and spirit. And of those 5, he described work as the only rubber ball, the one that if dropped, would bounce back. The others, he said, are made of glass and must be treated with care so as not to be dropped or scuffed or chipped or shattered. Take time in this section to identify your ideal life. It will chart your course.